Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and welcome to the Not Too Shabby Pup in a Cup YouTube Inspiration Hop. This Pup in a Cup stamp set is illustrated by Jamie, the owner of Not Too Shabby, and unfortunately I didn't get the stamp set on time while I filmed this video because of COVID-19, so that's what the stamp set looks like. And here's the image that I have all colored up for you. I figured I'm not going to bore you with the coloring details because there's a few YouTubers joining this hop, and I know that you guys will jump from one video to another, which is why I already colored the images. I really love this stamp set because of the illustration there. It had thick lines, so I was able to fussy cut the image, and I really love how this image turned out. I colored the image with Copic markers. And this is just going to be a simple card. I have the two borders here that I already die cut using a die from my stash. This is one of my favorite dies, and I used that scallop trim there to cut the two borders. And since I didn't have the stamp set, I'm going to use this die cut by CAS-ual Fridays stamps. And I am also going to use the Today's Good Mood sponsored by, and then the coffee die cut also by CAS-ual Fridays stamps. So I'm just going to stamp the sentiment now using my Misty, and going to stamp the sentiment with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. This card is really simple to create and you can easily mass produce this, but I really wanted to make this simple card because I want the focus of this card to be the stamp set that was illustrated by Jamie. It's such a cute stamp set, and I cannot wait to get the real stamp set so that I can share more videos with you using this stamp. For added interest and dimension to the card, I am going to adhere those borders using my foam adhesive. And for my focal image, I am going to use some fun foam with my ATG gun. The fun foam is slightly thicker than the foam adhesive, so it will just sit nicely on top of that card. I really love this stamp set, and I cannot wait to get this so that I can create more cards. So to finish the design, I'm just adding the heart with some liquid glue. I meant to add the pink bow on top of the pug's head. It's just that there wasn't enough space to do that. And this was a last minute decision to add a sentiment inside the card. So I used another CAS-ual Fridays stamps that I have from my stash, and it said possibly vodka. So I thought that was really funny because on the front of the card it says Today's Good Mood sponsored by coffee, and then on the inside it says possibly vodka. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and got inspired. And if you like the card, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below in order to participate in this giveaway. The winner will be announced on June 25th on the Not Too Shabby Shop channel, and it's a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby Shop. Thank you again for stopping by and joining me. Have an amazing day and happy crafting.